Hey guys, I'm Tiana and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something completely different than what I usually do. And we are going to be using Color Oops Extra Strength to remove the really dark brown black dye from my hair because I want to re-dye it like a dark golden brown shade. I think it's called dark chocolate brown. But anyways, I just want to remove this color so that I can redo it. So I'm gonna make a two-part little video. So for the first part, we're gonna use this. And I've never used this before, so it's gonna be like a first impressions and review. So we're gonna see if it like ruins my hair or not. And yeah, so that is all I have for the intro. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this and we're gonna see what happens. So I'll just go ahead and get started. Okay, so it comes with this and this. This is the, what is this? Dissolvent and the number 2. I don't know what to do with this. So I'm gonna have to read the instructions and come back in a second. Alright, so it says you pour this into this. So I'm just gonna do that. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see. So that's just what I'm doing right now. So that's poured, and then replace cap and shake well for 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so I shook it and it's just to remove this little, it's like a little stopper and it says to remove it. Oh, I need to cut it. I don't have any scissors. Okay, so now I have my scissors and I'm just gonna snip off the little plastic. Frick. Okay, so now you just apply it, and I'm gonna put on the gloves. And hopefully this is enough for my entire hair because as you can see, it's like really thick. There's like a lot. So I'm just gonna like kind of section it off, and I'm just gonna speed this part up really fast. But if you have less hair than me, it'll probably be way easier for you to do it. So I'm just gonna clip that top part. And then I'll do this bottom half in like 2 sections. So I'm gonna just, I don't know, I guess I'll like squirt it in my hand and then I'll like put it through my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And it looks like clear gel. Yeah, it smells kind of like a fart. It must be like whatever chemical like removes the hair color. It smells really gross. Yeah, it smells like sulfur. So you probably want to do this in like a well-ventilated area. I have to open the door. So sorry if you can hear noise in the background, but my hair literally smells like farts. So the first time I did it, I didn't put a ton because I wanted to make sure I had enough for my entire head. So now I'm just gonna be going back into the sections and adding more because it says to apply liberally. So I barely have any left, so I'm just gonna focus that on like the middle part of my hair kind of. But I was able to get like all of my hair with just one bottle, and my hair's like really thick, so that's good. Okay, so it said to wrap the hair with a plastic bag. and wait 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes I'm gonna rinse it out with shampoo because that's what the thing says. And right now it is 7:38, so I will be back at 7:58, and then I'll wash my hair, and then I will like kind of like let it dry a little bit and then show you like what it looks like. Actually no, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna like wrap it. So I guess I'll just like flip. Oh my god, it stinks. I literally don't know how to do this. Well, I'll just clip it. The handles, I can just like clip them together. So my hair is wrapped up in the bag now, and I will be back after I rinse out this nasty smelling stuff and show you if it got the color out. And by the way, it's not going to be like a huge difference because my hair is already like kind of dark brown, but I just wanted to remove this dye so that I can re-dye it. So stay tuned for that video because I'm going to be posting that one after I post this, because the way that I dye my hair is pretty interesting. Well, to me at least. So anyway, totally go check that out after you watch this one. And I will see you after I remove this. So see you later. Alright, so I waited 20 minutes and then I rinsed that stuff out of my hair. And I thought I would tell you guys the reason it smells kind of like a fart is because it has sodium hydrosulfite, I think. Because I know sulfur is the thing that like it's some kind of chemical and it makes stuff smell bad. I don't freaking know. I'm not a science major. But anyways, I'm pretty sure the hydrosulfite is the reason why my hair smelled like fart. And I had to change shirts because the shirt also smelled like someone pooped on it. So I'm wearing a different shirt, and I can definitely tell you that the stuff, the Color Oops definitely works because this is my natural hair color. Like, I don't know on camera if you can tell, like it is dark brown, but it has like hints of like a different color of brown. And I can tell that it worked because I have gray hairs again. Like it stripped the color off of all my hair, and my gray hairs, like, I don't know if you can tell, but my hair's like lighter on the top than on the bottom. It's always kind of been that way. Let me try and show you a gray hair so I can show you proof that it worked. Yeah, here. There's like a couple. This is so difficult because the camera's like higher up. But anyways, it 100% worked. My hair feels really dry and it doesn't really feel damaged. It's just dry because I never blow dry my hair on like warm temperature. I always use a cool temperature. But I just wanted to hurry it up so that I could go ahead and dye my hair. And that is my complete review of Color Oops. So to recap, it smells like rotten eggs, but it works. So, I mean, if you like mess up your hair and you want to like remove the dye, then buy it, I guess. I don't know. Moral of the story is just don't dye your hair the wrong color, I guess. But anyways, my hair looks fried. I look like I got struck by lightning. And I mean, I don't really know what else to say. So, alright, so basically the moral of the story is this product works, and now I am just going to dye my hair, and I'm gonna make a separate video for that, so y'all should totally watch it. And I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video so I can film that video. And this is the final result. I literally look electrocuted. So that's all that I have for you in this video. Make sure and stay tuned for my next video so that you can see how I dye my hair. And that is pretty much it. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, leave a comment, and make sure to check out the next video. Bye guys.